What's up, everybody? I was not planning on hunting today, but figured, hey, the rain cleared out this morning, still have a nice wind, some sunshine peeked out, so figured why not give it a few hours. Mid-morning, afternoon hunt here. Just got Baker sitting right next to me, and kicked about 10 gadwall out of this pond when we were walking in here. Nobody was in here, so I figured, hey, let's go check out this pond. So we're here, loaded up, got the decoys out, and let's see if the birds come back. Come on, 4-pack of widget, I think. Where'd they go? There they are. Crap. Stop moving. Here we go. Here we go. Oh, I hit that last one, dude. First one. We got birds on a string right here, dude. Those mallards. Holy crap. And 2 widgeon. Oh my goodness, that's a beautiful widgeon too. Center up, baby, center up. Two mallards. Baker, you ran right past them. 2 mallards, baby. Let's freaking go, baby. She's dead too. Oh, baby. My heart is racing. Good boy. Good boy. I thought the whole 5-pack was gonna do it. Good boy, Baker. So I call feet down mallards, baby. Oh man, Baker's got the drake. The hen is dead. Just took some wind and she's out here in this pocket. 2 mallards, 1 drake widgeon. Let's go. Painkiller. hey, when the double comes in, I'll shoot the double. Let's go. Just got the hands, swapped it out. That's a good bag to start, I'd say. I think I know why this boy came in. He didn't have an eye. So he was going off sound for sure. Okay, I had time to look back on the first one because I was like, dude, I thought I collateraled, bro. Like, that doesn't make any sense, but the duck in front dropped. That's what it looks like to me. And that was that Drake widgeon that Baker picked up. So we got the one, and then the other one, I looked back, because on the shot cam, it looks like it does. Looks like it falls, and we looked for it for friggin' 25 minutes. I was like, dude, this duck is here, this duck is here. Baker's really good about finding ducks if I could put them to anywhere near where I think they are. And I'm like, dude, this doesn't make any sense. So I looked back on the GoPro, and the GoPro shows the duck actually going away, so, and flying off towards the close zone. So, I mean, that makes me feel better, knowing that there's not a duck in one of these bushes. So it did take off. So we're only up to 3 birds, and I might have nicked that one, but it did take off. It flew with the wind and got out of here. So up to 3 birds, and we've only been sitting for about 25 minutes. So let's go. Here we go again. Some widgeon, I think. Yep. I hit the call on time, and they just came right back. So let's see what they do here. Sit down. I see the 2 drakes right there. Got the 1 drake. Well, there was 2, but I got mixed up. I couldn't see the other one. I'll take that. Another Drake widgeon. 2 mallards and 2 widgeon. Let's go, baby. The reason I took that shot and didn't wait for them to come around one time was because this cover is freaking like 2 feet tall, and to be honest, I think when the birds get over me, they're kind of seeing us. So, but hey, it's where the ducks are at. Make do of it. Not much calling. Sit low, sit tight, and another Drake widgeon. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Having a day. What you know about a Drake widgeon? Poor Susie. Somebody in the pond next to us shot her boyfriend, and he landed in our pond, and she's all confused now. Working like a charm, though. The right one's the Drake.
I'll just shoot it.
Go for the Drake. Shoot him, shoot him, shoot him, shoot him. Hi, boy. Watch those widgeon. Yeah, go get it, go get it. Oh, they're coming. No, just go get that bird, you're good. 2 good one. Baker with the Drake out one. Logan's going to get the hens. Got 2 more ducks. Baker got the other one, the other gat one. Hey, gaddies. This wind is just absolutely amazing. 2 widgeon came in and they tricked us. They look like they're coming in and getting ready to shoot, and then they just went and landed off with a pile of coots. And then I was like, oh, right here. And we're gonna pull up onto the gat one and got them both. yeah, I was like, what? That's how you work ducks.
Huh?
That's how you work ducks.
Oh, yeah. That's how you breathe, man.
Alright, bro. He's been doing great today, and he's got 2 birds I would have never got, but this dog might be blind. He might be blind, bro. Good boy. Good boy. Another widgeon. I ended with 3 widgeons, 2 mallards, and 2 gaddle. Shot my limit. We're gonna watch Logan try to get some more birds. What's going on, guys? I'm gonna call it a day. Shot my limit at about, I got here around, all set up around closer to 12 o'clock, and I limited out at 2:03. So really good midday flight. Nice wind, really good sun. So I was putting making our decoys look good, and the spinner blade, it made it look really good. But Logan got gadwall. I called him because I thought it was gonna be a little bit better, but when he got here, the flight kind of slowed down. It's starting to pick up now, but we both have to leave. So I shot 2 mallards, 3 widgeon, and 2 gadwall. So I got my limit, and really good day. And I just love when the birds do it dirty like that. So hopefully you guys enjoy this video. Baker's been working his butt off. He's probably close to 160 retrieves for this year, if I had to guess. And yeah, it's been picking up, and hopefully next weekend we have some sunshine as well, so we can get back on them. So thank you guys, and thank you for the support. Go check out my Instagram at Hunt Waterfowl, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.